Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install OBS on Windows. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to obsproject.com. This is the official website where you can safely download the OBS software for your system. Once the page loads, you'll notice 3 download options displayed in the center of the page: Windows, macOS, and Linux. Since we're installing OBS on a Windows computer, go ahead and click on the Windows button. As soon as you click it, the download will start automatically, so you don't need to do anything else on the website. Now, look at the upper right corner of your browser where you'll see the download notification. Navigate to the download section and click on it to view your recent downloads. You'll see the OBS installer file there. Click on Open to launch the installer and begin the setup process. At this point, a user account control window will appear on your screen. This is a standard Windows security prompt asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed with the installation. This allows the OBS installer to run with the necessary permissions. The OBS setup wizard will now open. Click Next on the first screen to move forward. You'll be taken to the next step of the installation process. Click Next again to continue. Finally, click Install to begin installing OBS on your computer. The installer will now extract and set up all the necessary files for OBS to run properly on your system. Wait for a few seconds while the installation completes. Once it's done, you'll have OBS fully installed and ready to use for screen recording and live streaming. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.